Non-replaceable batteries for smartphones are the standard. But why? Why are smartphone batteries so different to the standardized batteries we grew up with? First, we need to understand what abstraction is. The system of hiding complexity is called an abstraction. An abstraction is a way of hiding the working details of a subsystem, in this case the chemical reaction, and presenting a simple interface to use on top, the two ends that you connect to the device to make it work. If we use the AA battery as an example, you don't need to understand the chemical reaction of the battery to use it. You only need to know how to put it in your device the right way. The interface of the AA battery is easy to use and open for any company to implement. This means a wide range of companies can develop AA batteries or create devices that use the AA interface. If we go back to one of the ancestors of the smartphone, you can see custom batteries starting to gain traction around the birth of the MP3 player. MP3 players came in a range of shapes and sizes, which meant that standardized batteries weren't always possible, so consumers relinquished the expectation of being able to change the battery in exchange for smaller, trendier devices. This solidified the connection between the life of the device and the life of the rechargeable battery. With 1,000 new phones released each year, there is little to no standardization in the battery interface, and the batteries themselves are all designed to only last 2 years, creating a cycle of e-waste. According to allgreenrecycling.com, 50 million tons of electrical waste, e-waste, is generated each year, a major part of which comes from 57 million phones in the US are dumped each year, and 30 million phones in the UK are also dumped each year. 70% of all this waste goes directly into landfill, and 30% of all landfill waste is e-waste. Because the battery is now linked to the smartphone, the battery technology is hidden, and other companies are excluded from the industry. As long as the phone company can control the battery, the company has full control of the lifespan of the device. The usefulness and longevity of our smart devices are now tightly linked to their abstractions. An MP3 player from 2010 with a dead battery is unusable, but a Sony Walkman from 1987 can easily be used today. Right to repair is a movement to stop companies from preventing people from repairing their own devices, and a big push to break this cycle. If we can repair devices instead of throwing them away, we can reduce e-waste and regain control of the lifespan of our devices. While standardized batteries aren't on the horizon just yet, we can make informed choices when buying new tech and demonstrate to the smartphone companies that replaceable batteries are a valuable feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. My new series will be highlighting more abstractions in your daily life so you can be more mindful about the trade-offs they contain. Learning how something works underneath instead of relying on a simple interface is a great way to give you more freedom and control over your life and devices.